So guys, welcome back sa ating panibagong video. Ngayon nandito naman kami ni Pasi. Ayan siya guys, naglilinis. Pasi! Pasi bye! Say hi!
Hi, so you guys all good? Hope you all are good, guys.
Alhamdulillah. Gagawa ulit kami ngayon ng latte art. So ang gagawin natin ngayon ay sa wing tulip. Let's go! Wow! So guys, yan ang ating latte art for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Pasi, naglilinis ko rin. Pasi! Pasi!
Bro, please don't disturb, bro.
Oh my God! Your face!
I am famous now.
Sana guys, nagustuhan nyo ang aming video, ang aming latte art. Kung nagustuhan nyo guys, please support me by simply hitting the like and subscribe dyan sa baba. So yun lang muna for today's video guys.
Support my friend. He's doing very hard work.
Thank you Habibi, thank you so much. So yun lang muna for today's video guys. God bless.